Hi. So this week we tested the hypothesis that people were not satisfied with the apps that were currently out to decide for food. These include apps like Yelp, Urban Spoon, and other things of that variety, not like products that will deliver food, but more products that help you decide on where to eat.
Some of the key learnings that we found out from this hypothesis were that people liked Yelp, but they had some reservations about the ability to remove negative reviews and that there was a lack of pictures of food.
So our hypothesis was validated, as people said. Things like people can pay to remove bad reviews, and there were no menus sometimes on Yelp or no pictures of food. And so, yeah.
People also said things like there are websites where you have to pay to get more than a certain number of tokens, so you can only use the website a certain number of times before you're forced to either pay. So it's sort of a freemium model. So seeing as people didn't like these kind of things, some of them were easier to incorporate than others. So not being able to pay to remove a bad review is something that's really easy to incorporate into our app, versus something like no menus is harder to incorporate because it's like it would involve collecting a large amount of data. That's not as easy.
Okay, and then we spoke to Cal students this week. Next week we're planning on to go on Sprout and ask people in that area.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, next week we plan to show those people our MVP, which we decided to make into a manual product instead of an actual online version, since we were having trouble creating the actual app.
Yeah, a lot of the problem was actually getting randomness in something like an email response or other suggestions. So without creating like the full app, it was hard to design a online minimum viable product. Thank you.